What's up, everybody? Today we have this Bowser Lego that I'm gonna build. So yeah, we're gonna build that today in a time-lapse video, but not yet. We're gonna do the unboxing right now. So let's unbox this thing. I got some scissors. If you're younger than my age, which is like about 9 years old, make sure you have adult supervision while using scissors. Okay, just give me a second so I could get this tape off. Wait, hold up, I can do it like that. And that part is all the way down here. There we go. Now, let's move the scissors out the way. And let's unbox the Bowser Lego. Oh! Oh, whoa. Looks like we got bag 3. Move that to the side. Bag 4. Also move that to the side. What is this? Bag 2. Bag 5. Bag 16. Oh my god. Bag 21. 20. 11. Is this 9 or 6? I think 6. 6. 7. 15. What's this? Oh, this we can have over here. 19. 17. 14. 13. Bag 1, which we're gonna need. Bag 10. Bag 8. Oh, Bag 18. The instructions are in here. We'll open that soon. Bag 22. The last 2 bags are in here. The last 2 bags are bag 12 and bag 9. So we got started with bag 1, but first we got to open the instructions. So the scissors are going to return. And get the instructions out. So if you see me later in the video with an iPad, it's because I'm using the online instructions, which are better than these. But right now I'm going to use these. OMG, look at these. This is going to take a while. That's a lot of pages just for instructions. Wait, I'm just going to see what the... Oh my god, there's a lot of pages, dude. We're going to have to go through this whole book. The whole book. So... let's get started with the time-lapse video right now. For today, so we built the Bowser stand, which was bag 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tomorrow we're gonna start building Bowser. This was day 1 of building Bowser, so we'll get back started tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Okay, guys, we're back and it's day 2. We're gonna continue with bag 5. We're building the Bowser, and yeah, let's get started. of building the Bowser. So yeah, this is all the body. And I just built the tail right now. This was back 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And yeah, that was it for day 2. Guys, we're back for day 3. So we're gonna start it with bag 10. So let's get started. Guys, we're done with day 3. We built the legs. It was bag 10, 11, 12, and 13. Tomorrow we're gonna start building the shell, bag 14. And yeah, we built the legs so we can finally stand. So yeah, this thing's looking pretty cool. I wonder how big is, I wonder how we're gonna build the shell. That's why I wonder. But yeah. So that was day 3 of building the Bowser. Guys, we're back for the final day of building the Bowser. So yesterday we built the legs and I think we're building the shell now. So let's get started. Guys, we're done, and I did make a mistake during the build. It was the arms, they were opposite, so I had to fix that. But yeah, this thing's done. So I really like this thing, and I was wrong about the first thing we're gonna build. We actually built the head before the shell. But yeah, this thing was actually a really fun build. And I just want to compare something. This guy was from a different build, and he's a lot tinier. And look at this. This guy's a lot more graphic, a lot more detail than this dude. So I love this Bowser a lot. My favorite part about it was the shell. I love the shell. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and do not leave just yet. We're gonna do a slow motion 360. Enjoy that.